In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon using the free version. A favicon is that small icon that appears next to your website's title in the browser tab. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your site's branding and make it easily recognizable to your visitors. We'll walk through a series of steps to easily incorporate this feature into your site. So, let's get started. First, you need to access the settings menu of your website. Start by opening your site's dashboard. Once you are there, you'll notice a menu on the left side. Look for an option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you'll find the controls needed to customize various aspects of your site, including adding a favicon. After clicking on Settings, the next step is to search for website settings within this menu. You might see several categories and options, but don't let that overwhelm you. Focus on locating website settings, as this is the section where we'll be making the necessary changes for the favicon. Click on Website Settings to proceed to the next screen. Now that you're in the website settings section, it's time to upload the image you want to use as your favicon. Look for an option called Upload Image. Clicking this button will take you to the Media Management section where you can add new images to your site's library. Once you've navigated to Upload Media, you'll see a button labeled Upload from Computer. Click on this button to open a file dialog on your computer. From here, you can browse and select the image you want to use as your favicon. This image should ideally be a square to prevent any stretching or distortion when it's displayed in the browser tab. After your image is uploaded, click on Add Icon. This option assigns the uploaded image to be used as your site's favicon. It's a straightforward process. Once you click it, the system recognizes your chosen image as the favicon you wish to display. The final step in this process is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the settings page. Click Save to ensure that the changes are applied. This step is crucial because without saving, your efforts would remain merely temporary and not reflect on the live site. And there you have it. Your website now has a favicon. It might take a little while for it to appear when you access your site, as some browsers take a bit of time to update their cache. Having a favicon is a great way to make your site stand out and look more professional, and with these simple steps, you can easily create one for free. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy site building.